So most overnight bags are big and bulky and take up a ton of space. So I'm going to show you a pouch right here that can fit a good little overnight bag that has some EDC items and some hygiene stuff in it if you're just doing a quick overnight stay somewhere. For example, this weekend I have to take my son to my mother's house for the holiday, so I'm not trying to take a ton of stuff. It's only going to be a one-night stay, so I think this is the perfect little EDC bag for a quick overnighter. And, you know, it's not going to take up too much space. It's a little thick, but it's definitely bigger. I mean, it's definitely smaller than what you would normally have just to pack in a little overnight trip kit. So anyway, I'm going to be using this pouch right here. Maxpedition was kind enough to send me out a couple pouches to check out and review, so I thought I would make this one because I'm going to be going away this weekend, and I think this is the perfect pouch, perfect size for a quick little overnighter. This is the double-decker pocket organizer mini. This is the mini one. This is the 4x6, and it also comes in a 5x7. And as you know, with anything Maxpedition, you're going to get great quality stuff. You're going to get that 1000D nylon, the genuine YKK zippers, that real strong reinforced construction. You know, it's going to be good for you. It's good stuff. And yeah, so that's about it about the pouch. It's got the, you can put, you know, it's got the little hook and loop. You can put your patches. You can make it a med kit. You can do whatever you want with it. But I got the American flag one, and then I got another little American flag one that if you want to color it up. But this is the wolf gray pouch, so I think we're just gonna go all gray with this one. I think that looks pretty good. So the reason I chose this one is because it's got a two-tier system on it. So it's got a front pocket, and then it's got a back pocket. So this is perfect for, you know, a one-night trip, or if you're working a late night and you have to go crash somewhere. Keep all your stuff in here, and it's good to go. So I'm going to open it up and see what's in the first compartment. So like I said, this is going to be a little mixture of some essential little easy EDC items that you can carry around, and then a couple toiletries to keep yourself clean for overnight stay, whatever you might need. So I got a spare phone charger in here. And then, like I said, I didn't go full crazy EDC, so I have the SOG Power Pint Mini. It's a good little, you can't really see it because of the pouch. It's a good little set of pliers, and it's got a good little set of multi-tools on it. It's got your scissors, it's got little screwdrivers, all that good stuff. And most importantly, it's got a nice little pocket clip. And then I got a pen and a pencil. Yes, they're both zebra. Oh, actually, that's two pens. I thought it was a pen and a pencil. Oh, I guess I was way off, but I had a pencil in there. I don't know where it went to, but it is what it is. I will add the pencil to this once I'm done. And then I keep a little right in the rain, or not right in the rain, but it's a all-weather notebook. I don't have the right in the rains. They're a little expensive for what they are. And like I said, like I've said before, I don't really find myself writing outside in a downpour, but if you have to, it's good to have a little weatherproof notepad or just a regular notepad just to write some stuff down. What is it catching on? Oh, it's catching on it's got a little keychain hook. Sometimes it catches when you're stuffing stuff back there. There we go. Now we're good. And you know, you never know if you're going to have an overnight trip and you might need some Tylenol, some Aleve, whatever you need. A little pill container. Pill containers, I love these. I keep these all over the house. I think you can get these on Temu, like a 3-pack for $2, and they're waterproof. They got the little gasket. They just screw on and screw back shut. So if they do get wet, you're good to go. You're kind of ready for the weather. You got your waterproof pill container and your weatherproof paper to write on. So that's a good little thing to have. I'm going to start putting some of this stuff back so I don't make a mess. It's fine. And then, like I said, I didn't go full crazy EDC. I just keep this little through night mini keychain light. It's very bright. You know, it's a bright little tiny light to have if you happen to need an emergency. Or if you happen to have an emergency where you need a little flashlight, it doesn't take up much space. Just keep it charged. Like I said, this is just for like an overnight bag. This isn't for a full survival kit. And then I keep a pocket knife in here. This is the my most carried little knife. This is the Kaiser Nice Guy. It's good little, pops right open. It's very small, feels good in the hands. This is probably my most carried little pocket knife. I use it at work. I use it everywhere I go. It takes up very minimal space. It's very sharp. Kaiser makes some really good stuff. And then I keep a little pry bar. Again, this is one of those Temu specials. I think it was $1.25 or something like that. It's got a, you know, if you got to tighten a nut and bolt, it's got a bottle opener, little pry bar, and then it's got like a little ratcheting it's not that loud, but it comes with some little bits so you can ratchet them down, and then it's got a little carabiner to hang it onto something, but it's a good little thing to have. And, you know, you're going for an overnight trip. What if somebody has a birthday party? You need to light some candles, something simple. You need to light something. Lighter's a good thing to have. And then I don't have anything back here, but there's also a pouch back there if you need to put something. And then there's a little keychain hole or whatever you want to hook to it. It's your pouch. You do it your way. And then on the other side is where I keep a couple of the toiletries. Oh, I turned on the light. All right, well, we'll just set that off to the side for now. This light normally has, oh, that's right, if you hold the button in, it turns on. But for the most part, like, that's one of the things I like about this light, because it won't go off in your pocket. To turn it on, you have to double tap it. But if you long press it, you know, it'll turn on to the moonlight mode or whatever you want to do. This is a great little keychain light. I use this more than any other flashlight that I have, and this thing is awesome. So let's not turn on the flashlight right now. I think I put it in the wrong spot, so I guess that's why something pushed against it. So, and then on the other side, we got just some easy toiletries and stuff that you might need just for a quick overnight stay. And the reason I keep this stuff over here away from the EDC stuff is because, you know, if this bag does get ripped, I really don't want the dirt and grime and dust from my multi-tools getting all over my travel toothbrushes. Even though they're in plastic, you know, you can easily tear it open or something. And just, I like to keep my toiletry stuff separate from my EDC stuff that I'm going to be carrying. And then little emergency deodorant. And then I got some these things are from Dollar Tree. It's like a little disposable soap pads. It's like paper. You just pull a couple out, or they tear apart like they just did. You wet them, and then you have some good little soaps. They're good to have. And then, as with any other pouch that I have, Dollar Tree Band-Aid bag. I know everybody's tired of seeing it, but I could promote these things. I love this pack. And then also in the toiletry kit, we just keep some, you know, you're only staying overnight, but you still want to have clean teeth. So I got the dental picks in there, and then I keep the toothbrushes so you have clean teeth. And then some good old Dollar Tree fingernail clippers. You know, you get a hangnail, something like that. It's always good to have a little set of fingernail clippers with you. But yeah, you can fit all this stuff in here. I think it's a great little overnight bag. And recommendation, when you open up this side, open it backwards, because if you open it up forwards, all the stuff's going to kind of spill out. Yeah, so yeah, because if you open it up the other way, like just flip it open, all your stuff is going to spill out when you open it up. As you can see, I'm not going to do it to make a mess, but I prefer to open this pack from the back side and then flip it open. That way everything stays in space. And I could fit a couple more things in here easily, but I didn't want to overdo it. Like I said, it's just a one night stay at my mom's house, taking my son up there for the holidays. And oh yeah, also this thing has a magnetic bottom on it, as you can see. So it's got a pretty strong magnet on it. So if you need to attach it to your car or whatever, you can stick it to something if you need to. And as you see, it's sticking to everything while I'm trying to put it away. But anyways, this is the Maxpedition double-decker. It comes in 2 different sizes, and this is the smaller version. If it was the bigger version, you could definitely fit a lot more in it, but, oh, that's why it wouldn't fit. I had it in the wrong thing. There we go. I mean, you could fit a lot more in it if you had the 5x7. This one's only the 4x6, but I think this is the perfect size for a little overnight getaway. I keep turning that thing light on. There we go. What is going on here with this? Oh, this thing has a little waterproof, when you charge it, it's got a little waterproof plug. So that's what's been catching. So that's been there we go. Now we got it back in here. Now we're good to go. So yeah, just close it back up. Zipper it closed. And yeah, that's it's a nice little pouch. You can carry it with you, throw it in your car, throw it in your bag. Like I said, overnight stay, you got all your clothes packed up. You don't need a whole lot. You can just throw some clothes in a bag, throw this in the bag, and you're good to go. Or if you're taking a backpack, you can just, you know, it's got the MOLLE attachments on the back. You can put a hook and loop strap on it, strap it to your backpack, or just hook it to whatever backpack you're taking overnight. But yeah, I mean, does anybody else pack a little overnight EDC bag like this? I think it's a good idea to have, because you have a little mixture of EDC items, and you have some toiletries, so you can keep yourself nice and clean and freshened up. And then you can also have some stuff if you need it in an emergency. So yeah, hopefully if you guys think of anything that I could add or take away, let me know in the comments. I would appreciate it. I'm always looking for ways to improve any of the pouches that I have and any of my little kits. So let me know in the comments if this is something you do, or if it's something that you didn't know you needed to do and now you want to try it out, or anything I can add or take away. So thanks for checking out the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great week.